I am about to do this challenge and I am shook.
I just wanna have a good time.
Hey guys, bienvenido a mi canal de YouTube. My name is Felipé Charming. I'm gonna do the full face no mirror makeup challenge. I have two major concerns. My camera does this thing where it stops recording after like 10 or 11 minutes. I think what I'm gonna do too is I'm probably just gonna like lay something on top of the viewfinder so that I don't see my actual face. Just wanna be able to tell that the camera is still recording and I'm still in focus, but I don't want to be able to see my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang my hat on the viewfinder. Alright. Primer is easy, but yeah, like I was saying, I actually want this to come out okay. Oh my god. My foundation. How do you blend foundation without looking? If you guys want a detailed version of my, of my routine, then go ahead and watch my last video. I'm shook because I forget things. I forget things when oh my god, what do I look at? I forget things when I can see, so I feel like foundation I'll be able to do everything else. I'm not so sure. Oh my god, y'all, I want to cheat so bad. This is hard. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to go over my whole face and then go back and see what all I did not do or whatever. So I am shook. I want to look so bad. I'm just gonna keep blending until whatever, so yeah. Yeah, this is crazy. How do people do this, bro? Oh, and I forgot to put concealer on my nose again. I always forget that step. I feel like there's like no foundation on the upper half of my face. So I'm gonna go back and deal with that afterward. So now I don't know where there is and there isn't foundation, and this is a lot. Like, I really cannot see myself. Now I can make eye contact because I don't have to see myself. Let me go ahead and get the nooks and crannies that I'm always talking about. I'm gonna go over my whole eye. Only thing that I'm really concerned about is my eyebrows. Okay, I know I didn't get any on the sides of my mouth. Over here. Oh, my neck. After that last video, my neck will forever be blended. There's a mirror sitting in front of me. I don't know why I would torture myself like that. It's like, it's a palette, but it's laying and it's like facing upward. And I was gonna time myself doing this just because I feel like I know it's gonna come out like shit anyway. I hope I didn't mess up my edges, like, in all honesty. But who knows, come out flawless. If it does, I'll be shook. So now I'm gonna take C13 Makeup Revolution, go over my nose like I have been doing lately. I really wish I could see what's going on right now. You know what's so crazy? I feel like this is not that hard. I mean, it's no mirror. I can see my nose, so. Am I cheating? Is that considered cheating? I'm like so hyped that I can see my nose. That's me fast forwarding myself in real life. Y'all, I'm so scared to do my eyebrows. I'm sorry, I was just calling to let you know that I am recording right now. So if you could keep it down just a little bit. Alright, love you. Right. I'm gonna blend around, especially this side of my y'all. If only I could. You saw how I tried to look at myself in the brush. Desperado. Okay, I'm gonna blend that out. Blend that out, blend that out, blend that out, blend that out, blend that out. Y'all, this is a little trippy. Now you know I'm tripping because I'm not left-handed. So the contour laid down has to be somewhere in this region. After bronzing, I do concealer. Okay, this is where it gets real. Take C12 on top of that. Not always just dot it, and then I dot this on my nose. Right there. Wow, this is legit muscle memory because I'm just like, I already knew that my base was gonna be like, I'm looking at. I already knew that my base was gonna be okay. Well, let me not say I knew because I don't know. Girl could walk out here looking like Casper. Okay, blending out the sides is what's really gonna scare me too. And you know what? I only dipped it once, so I don't even know if there's enough coverage on this side. Of course, looking at it, I would know to double dip, but not looking, I wouldn't know to double dip. I'm shook. I'm like shook. Oh my god, this is crazy. Can't believe I'm actually doing this. Oh, by the way, before I get too deep into the video, I did take a poll on Instagram to see what you guys wanted to see. So if you guys want to like have input on what videos I film, sometimes I do a poll on here, but for the most part I will do polls on Instagram and ask you guys what you guys want to see. I'm not cheating. I'm looking up to make sure. And matter of fact, just to prove it, I'll record at this very moment in time. Thank God my front camera wasn't what's open. That is my hat hanging on my camera in this very moment in time. And just so that you guys can see, this is my beauty sponge. And now it's over here. Not cheating. I don't see the point in that. Oh, so I already have some powder in here. My two concerns are my brows and looking like Casper, my base not being blended. Let me press this in. I don't think I'm baked. Maybe my nose is pretty usual. Because I can see it. Without seeing it. Don't blow on your client sponges. Jacket covered in setting powder. Oh, so powder contour. Typically I do this after brows, but I'll do it now. I'm shook. Like, wow. If I can do my brows without looking, y'all have a problem. Wait, is there a mirror in here? No, okay, good. Here we go. Okay, my brows are gonna be I feel it. This challenge just became no longer fun. I don't want to play anymore. I'm gonna lose. And then it's like, y'all watching me, so it's like I want to focus on what I'm doing, but I also want to keep you guys entertained throughout the duration of this video. But it's like, bitch, I want to serve. Like, what do you mean? 20 bunches of votes? I don't think concealing my brows is an option. You know, my brows are and I can feel it. This is so bad. I can't see my eyebrows. I almost cheated. I'm trying to use the reflection on this thing. But I don't want to conceal my brows. I think there might be a mirror in here. Okay, there's not. Okay. This is like impossible. Okay, I'm gonna just do like a soft conceal and blend thing. I think that might be all the concealing that I do. Only because I cannot see, and it's just like, I don't know if this is hitting where I need it to hit. I'm very particular about my brows. Okay, I'm just gonna do the bottom because I don't have time. We're gonna keep this very clean and simple. I'm gonna bronze my nose, put on some blush, face powder, throw on these lashes, mascara, and call it a day. Y'all, this is hard. Like, don't watch these videos and feel like I could do that. I could do that. No, you can't. Trust me, you can't. Okay. I feel like my brows probably look like step cousins right now. What's going on? Not even twins, not sisters, not brothers. Step cousins. I could have probably just rubbed it off and messed it up. So, after I do my brows, I typically bronze my nose. I've been pinching my nose lately and I forgot I haven't even tried to do that. I just kind of went with the natural flow of my nose. So, oh, my nose is running and I think I got my brush. Wait! There's powder on my face. Okay, so, pressure into skin. I really hope I don't like Casper right now. Bronze a little more, just because I feel like it will help. I'm sorry if I'm like quiet and boring, you guys. This feels insane. Y'all, this is hard. So yeah, after I press my translucent powder in, if I do shadow, I do shadow. Shadow is very easy. I'm gonna just rub this in with my hand because I don't have time. And even if I don't have on shadow, it's like whatever. Mascara. Okay, so mascara, easy peasy lemon squeezy. When I tell you I'm so tempted to look in this mirror. Same old nigga. Here go my lash glue. At least what's left of it. Damn, bitch. Oh, okay. Yeah, put on my mascara. I feel like I may barely have any on. If that's gonna help any damn thing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush to blend my brows out and go back and blend a little bit because I feel like this will help clean up just a little bit, and then the same thing over top just a little bit because I didn't do anything on top of my brow, so maybe this will help. Sleep a little something, bitch. I'm trying to move that after I put on powder. Not smart. So I still have this, even though it's like been over a year since I've had the Jeffree Star androgyny palette, but because I don't want to grab James Charles, it's over there. I'm gonna grab this and use the shade Charm for blush. Lashes are kind of a thing because like I can see, but even when I can see, bitch, my lashes be wonky. My lash application, oh, that's horrible. Okay, bitch, I can feel this all on my eyelid, and I know they look bad. I know it, I can feel it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and now you know what, if the lashes are that bad, I would just fix them after, which I know they are. I can feel it. Oh, bitch, no. That's a little OD. Alright, now... Okay, let me think. I put on blush. Contour my nose. Oh, I didn't do the thing where I take the lighter color and... Oh, I didn't highlight either. Okay, good. I know what I didn't do. For a situation I have going on with my nose. Probably not helping. Probably not helping. Oh, highlighter, then face powder. So we're gonna go ahead and take this highlighter that I love. I'm shook. So I shook. Okay, now face powder. Please be my saving grace. Please, 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 please. Oh, and I would have forgot lipstick and to highlight my Cupid's bow and all that. Now we're gonna do lipstick. I only have on one lash, just in case you skipped to this part of the video. I only have on one lash because I took off my lash so that I can redo it. Lipstick, easy, low, easy. Tipping back into my highlighter. Oh shit. I feel like this is gonna be really good or really bad, or both. I'm not forgetting anything, am I? Da-na-na-na-na, da-da-na. This will be my time to do some touching up, but I don't know what I'm touching up because I look an atrocity. I might have to hold on some. Help me, Lord. Okay, I'm ready to see. Y'all, when I tell you, I'm shook. My heart really just dropped. Okay, bitch! Y'all, book me immediately. Because for me to not be able to see, like, at all, I did a pretty amazing job. Now, the only thing is my brows. My brows. My brows. And my face look one color. I don't live. But I think I did a pretty good job. I did a pretty fucking good job. If you like, okay, if you compare like this to what I did in my last video, this is like pretty much my base model makeup look. Okay, the eyeliner's non-existent. Lashes wonky as expected. Wait, I don't want to touch it too much because I want to pose in this. Same exact untouched look. All in my hair. Wow. I think, oh, I didn't blend this out all the way. I did a pretty banging job. I'm shook. I did not expect to look in the mirror and still look like a person. I already knew my brows were going to be bad. Yeah, if you want like a real brow moment from me, I'm going to insert a clip of what my makeup usually looks like. This was a very interesting challenge. I would suggest that you do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I forgot I can take this off now. Whoa. Whoa. So that you can be notified of every single upload. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Peace. Love you guys.